Over the past few decades, China has transformed into one of the world's most powerful military forces, developing technologies that once existed only in science fiction movies. From autonomous weapon systems to combat robots and silent drones, China is pushing the limits of what modern warfare can look like. But what makes these technologies so extraordinary? Why are they causing concern among global military experts? In this video, I'll show you the 8 most advanced Chinese military technologies that have surpassed everything we thought was possible. Weapons so futuristic they seem unreal, yet they are completely operational today. And when we reach number 1, you'll understand why military analysts everywhere are genuinely alarmed. Number 8. GR1, Military Humanoid Robot. China has achieved something the world once thought impossible. The first mass-produced military humanoid robot, while Western countries are still stuck with prototypes. China's GR1, built by 48 Intelligence, walks like a soldier at 5 km per hour while carrying 50 kilograms of gear. Its AI allows it to complete missions entirely on its own, from reconnaissance to combat. Without human control, China has already begun forming full robotic units, deploying thousands of these machines in real operations. What other nations promised for decades, China achieved in a few years. With massive expansion planned for 2025, China is building a future where robot battalions replace human soldiers entirely. Number 7. Wolf robots that attack in packs. Has developed combat robots that behave exactly like a wolf pack but far more lethal. Each robot has a unique role. Leader robots scout ahead and find enemy weaknesses. Support robots carry ammo, and supplies attack robots strike with deadly precision. These machines communicate instantly through AI, updating strategies in real time. They operate for days without rest, navigate brutal terrain, and never make human mistakes. Facing them would be like fighting an enemy that learns from every move and never gets tired. Number 6. The world's first artificial commander. China has created the first AI military commander, already directing real operations from a classified facility. This digital general works non-stop, designing combat strategies, cyber attacks, and large-scale operations after analyzing decades of military history. Scientists say it combines the minds of legendary strategists like Sun Tzu and Napoleon inside a machine that never sleeps, never panics, and can't be corrupted. In secret simulations, it defeated human generals every single time. Number 5. Blowfish A3, silent bomber, drone developed by the Chinese company ZN. The Blowfish A3 is a silent aerial assassin. Its electric engine makes it nearly impossible for radar systems to detect. It carries guided missiles or laser precision bombs and performs fully autonomous bombing missions. It identifies plans and attacks targets without any human pilot. Fighting this drone is like fighting a ghost, silent, invisible, and deadly. Number 4. DF-17 hypersonic missile. The DF-17 is one of the most terrifying weapons on the planet. These missiles fly at Mach 10 over 12,000 kilometers per hour, changing direction at any moment, making interception nearly impossible. Even the Pentagon admitted these weapons could destroy all 10 U.S. aircraft carriers in only 20 minutes. A $1 million hypersonic missile can wipe out a $13 billion warship like destroying a skyscraper with a stone. Number 3. YAK, the giant mechanical soldier, inspired by the real Yak. This machine is the largest bionic military robot ever made. It carries 160 kilograms of supplies and crosses snow, swamps, deserts, and rocky mountains at 10 kilometers per hour. Equipped with advanced sensors and powerful, it never gets tired and survives conditions lethal for humans. China is already using it in remote border regions where normal soldiers can't reach. Number 2. Silent underwater manta rays. China has built submarines that swim exactly like manta rays, completely silent and invisible. These robotic rays glide underwater without vibration, making them impossible to detect with sonar. They can remain hidden for months along enemy coastlines, waiting silently for attack orders. Dozens of these machines already patrol the oceans, forming a hidden underwater network. Number 1. Military invisibility suits. Chinese scientists have created suits that make soldiers literally disappear. These uniforms use materials that bend light around the human body, creating real invisibility, not CGI, not theory. The suit scans its environment, adjusts to lighting, and becomes transparent both to the human eye and to sensors like thermal cameras, infrared detection, radar systems. Intelligence leaks confirm that special Chinese units are already testing these suits in real missions. China's futuristic military technologies, from $500 drones that destroy multi-million-dollar tanks to robotic animals and invisible soldiers, represent a massive leap in warfare. What do you think about these technologies? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.